Good morning, guys. These are my grocery shopping. Yesterday, I have the baby spinach for salad. I have kiwi, and I have onions, bananas, bitter melon or ampalaya, and I have Fuji organic apples. I have organic celeries, and I have tomatoes. I bought these yesterday because I went out with my friends to have grocery shopping, and ampalaya I bought it in Asian market. So I will clean all this ampalaya and celery. I will wash them well and then slice them and put them in the freezer for long so that they stay long, especially tomatoes. I wash it, remove the seeds, and put in the freezer, and also the bitter melon or the ampalaya. And the onions just here at the counter, and the fruit, kiwi and bananas, just the counter until it get all ripe. When already ripe, I gonna slice them also and put them in the freezer. And when I eat oatmeal, I put bananas or kiwi or apples when I make the oatmeal. That's it. So that's it. Thank you very much.